Hi, it's Tim and Shana from Punk Rope, and we're going to do another partner jump video. This one is called Twins. So if you got someone in your household that wants to jump rope with you, it's a great option. And if not, you got to convince them. But the way this is going to work, we're going to have one jump rope, and so this is our Go Green rope. It's about it's roughly 9 feet. It does need to be long enough so that it can get under the feet of both participants. And each of us is going to have a handle, and we're going to try to time this properly so that we are each turning simultaneously and getting the rope under our feet. And we're just going to shoot for 5. I'm going to be on the left side, Shauna on the right, and then we'll tell you about a couple of things that can go wrong and maybe how to fix them. Okay, so hang on a sec, guys. Okay, so I'm lefty, that's why I'm on the left side. Shauna's righty. If you were both left-handed or right-handed, you'd flip a coin and figure it out. We're going to do a count of 3. 1, 2, 3, go, so that we try to stay in sync. Pretty close together. We've got 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, that worked. We haven't practiced in years. So it was a little bit tight on my head. I could feel it. Just feel a little breeze. Part of that's because I'm taller, about 4 inches taller. So when you're with someone of a different height, you got to make sure you've got enough air over the taller person's head, which we were able to do it. The main things that go wrong are timing out of sync, right? So and actually we should just start from the beginning. If one person has their hand at hip height and then one person is really low, right off the bat you're probably going to have some challenges. That's a tough one. You want to try to be roughly the same height, right? So if it's way off, we'll just mess this up. We're going to go 1, 2, 3. That's probably what will happen because my hand was low, so my side, the rope bounced, and then by the time it came back around, it caught my neck. The other thing would be, we're just turning at different times, right? So I'm going to turn on 4, and Shana will turn on 3, and we'll see what happens, okay? So 1, 2, 3. Yeah, it's not going to happen, right? So the countdown is very useful. You want to make sure that you're in sync, and you want to make sure you're turning at the same rate. So if one of us was turning very fast and one of us was turning very slow, I'll turn fast, Shana will go slow. We'll try that again. 1, 2, 3. Again, that's going to cause a problem. It's fun to try it from both sides, even if you are left or right dominant. It's good for coordination. And Shana was I believe, is the record holder in the Punk Rope Games for twins. I know she's been a champion.
With our student Liana.
Yeah, yeah. And you were champion in spoons too, I believe. And we're going to do spoons another time, okay? So guys, that was the twins partner jump. 1 rope, 2 people. Kind of fun. I'm going to say
we're not going to do it again?
Goodbye. Because I don't want to push my luck. I thought that was pretty good. So give it a shot, guys. Twins partner jump, and we will see you soon. Feel free to give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and if you have any questions, jot them down in the comments below.